Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your OnePay debit card using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the OnePay app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on wallet at the bottom of your screen. Once you are on your wallet section, tap on the card shown in the screen. After that, tap on manage card. A menu will appear. After that, tap on activate debit card. Now enter the required details from your debit card such as the last 4 digits of your card, expired date or CVV code if asked. Make sure the information is entered correctly. After entering the details, tap confirm or activate. Wait a few seconds while OnePay processes your request. You will see a message saying your debit card is activated. Once activated, you can make purchase, withdraw cash at ATM or add the card to Apple Wallet if available. Your card is now ready to use. And that's it. You have successfully activated your OnePay debit card using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.